Hello, this is Linda Bisa. I'm here in America, the United States of America. I'm standing in my home in Ohio. I also have a home in Manila, Philippines. And my husband, who is Filipino, is from Davao, which he has taken me to Davao many times. I have been to Philippines at least 7 or 8 times. I love Davao. And the reason I love Davao is because it is so clean and so beautiful. And the people are lovely and wonderful and kind to everybody, especially me as an American tourist. I really love this place, and I understand one of the big reasons it is so crime-free and such a good place to be, and I feel so safe and secure, is because of your mayor, Mr. Dirty Harry, which I understand is now running for the president. I believe he would make all of Philippines as beautiful and as nice and as safe and wonderful as Davao is. So I pledge my support for Mr. Dirty Harry, because he is wonderful. I hope that you, as the Filipino nation, will also support him in this endeavor for him. Thank you so very much for your time. This is Linda, and I wish you all very well. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat po.